Welcome to the Renaissance Bali here in Uluwatu.
So we just arrived here and it's absolutely beautiful. Check-in was really easy, the staff were super friendly. It took us one lift, a golf buggy and another lift to get to our room. Yeah, so we're really excited to get out and explore everything here in the hotel, but for now we're going to give you a quick room tour.
So this room that we're staying in is a junior suite. So as soon as you enter, we've got this area here to sit down. We've got another nice looking chair over here, as well as what looks to be a really big and comfy bed. So pretty happy about that, and we're going to head out and show you our balcony. So this place is pretty big, as you can feel. So this is the view that we have here. It's a garden view, and if you actually look around the side, you can see the edge of the pool and out all the way to the water, which is pretty good.
So now back through the bedroom. You can sit here and have a coffee. You have a coffee machine for that. A massive sink. In here you've got another huge room for the toilet, and in here to the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom is absolutely massive. You've got his and her sinks, huge mirror. Absolutely love this giant wooden towel rack here. It's really beautiful and really natural. And then through here is kind of like a big bathroom area with, there it is, the shower. So you actually have two options here. You've got a shower head. I'll just close this. So you've got a shower head here, or sort of like what looks like a rain shower up there. So beautiful, lots of space. And over here you have a beautiful bath. It looks super comfy. It actually is really long, heaps of space. And you've got this massive glass window here where you can look at this beautiful jungle area while you're relaxing and having a bath. And there is a screen there that you can put down if you want a bit of extra privacy as well.
So that was just a quick room tour of our junior suite here at the Renaissance.
Yeah, it's a beautiful hotel and we can't wait to explore.
So over the next couple of days, we'll take you around and show you every little thing that we find, and hope you enjoyed this video.
So now we're about to go up and have breakfast. We just ordered a little buggy and we'll show you guys around.
Yes, please.
Good morning.
Number, sorry?
6310.
Oh, 61. Where you wanna going now?
To Playcraft?
Playcraft?
Yeah. So at Claycraft they actually have their own pottery school and they make a lot of the plates and cups that you'll actually be eating off in the restaurant.
Thank you.
So we really enjoyed breakfast, and for me personally, my favourite thing was definitely the eggs Benedict with babi guling or something like that. It was just really, really good actually. And what else did we have? We had a whole lot of things, some pastries. There's lots of options down here though, so whatever you feel like. There's some Indonesian food, there's lots of different egg dishes. What did you have, Mandy?
I had the avocado toast with poached egg, which is really nice, and with some crumbled feta on top and some nuts even. It was really delicious. And what's left of this dragon fruit smoothie was really amazing. And yeah, everything we had was really tasty. I loved it.
So I really enjoyed breakfast this morning, sitting by the pool, really nice atmosphere, really good food. And now I think we're going to head up and jump on a shuttle bus to the attached beach club, which is probably about 20 minutes away at Pandawa Beach, called Roosterfish, and yeah, we'll take you there. So we've just finished up after a few hours here at Roosterfish, and we loved our time here.
Yeah, super relaxing. We went for a swim. They have a beautiful pool with a pool bar. They have food here as well and a restaurant, so you can actually dine in the restaurant or you can have some food in your bar area as well.
But today being a Sunday, and I think there's another day as well that they do this as a full buffet day, and we just came from a big breakfast, so we didn't end up eating any food here. But yeah, it was really nice just swimming, having a drink, and all in all, it's just a really welcoming place that people of all ages, all groups, and just really nice.
So you can actually walk down to Pandawa Beach as well. The area of the beach in front of the Rooster Beach is actually pretty calm and quiet.
Yeah.
The beach is sometimes more wavy and sometimes a little bit more calmer for swimming.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been here. Last time we were at Pandawa Beach in this area, the water was so still, really, really clear. The water was still relatively clear, but it was definitely a different day to last time.
Yeah, and so you can choose to swim down there if you want, or swim up here in the pool and you can still see the ocean from up here, which is really nice. If you're staying at the hotel, they have the free shuttle bus. It only takes probably about 20 minutes to get here.
Yeah, if that. And with the shuttle bus, it's on the way here, it's every hour from 10 o'clock through to 6, and on the way back to the hotel, it's from 10:30 through to 6:30.
Every hour on the half hour. So we're about to head back to the hotel now.
But all in all, it's a really relaxing few hours that we've been here, and yeah, we loved it.
And now we'll show you more around the resort.
So as soon as you arrive, it's a really nice foyer and lobby area, and up here as well, there's also a really nice bar area.
Large pool here right near the restaurant and the breakfast area, and it wraps all the way around over here with an infinity edge and ocean views.
So here we are at the lower pool, which is probably our favourite pool of the two. The upper pool is probably a little bit more dramatic with its infinity edge, and you can look out towards the water in the distance. But this pool here also has the infinity edge, and you can look out towards the jungle here. And every time we've been down here, we've either had it to ourselves, or there's been one other couple or one other person swimming. And yeah, it's just been really relaxing down here, just really peaceful and quiet, and it's been really relaxing. Yeah, so we just grabbed some bikes from the hotel. We were able to have them for a couple of hours, so we just started going for a little ride around, and we ended up having a bit of a bite to eat at this little room here, and yeah, been pretty good. So we've just checked out of the Renaissance here in Uluwatu, and we absolutely loved our time.
Yeah, really sad to leave. Had a beautiful weekend here, so yeah, we just thought we'd give you a bit of a wrap up of our stay and things you might need to know before you get here.
Yeah, so all in all, a really beautiful hotel. We loved our room, and the hotel itself is really nice.
Yeah, definitely recommend the junior suite, although we haven't seen any of the other rooms.
Yeah.
The junior suite was really large. It was really nice having the massive bathroom area, the balcony, and the garden jungle view was really beautiful. Really nice touch to have the golf buggies as well, and everyone's been super friendly.
So in terms of the location, it is a little bit away from a lot of places in Uluwatu, but in saying that, that's also a bonus.
Yeah, and also a lot of places in Uluwatu are actually not too close to other things because Uluwatu is really
it's a very spread area as it is. So there's also taxis and stuff you can get from here to get around and see other areas, and like we showed you before, there's also the shuttle service to take you to Pandawa Beach and to their beach club there. Roosterfish. So that's another option as well if you want to go out and see something else while you're here.
Yes, I think it's a perfect place to stay here in Uluwatu, as long as you know that you're not going to walk outside the hotel and have restaurants and shops lining the streets. It's not that kind of place. You will have to get transport to get to most restaurants or other activities here in Uluwatu, but when you're here you have a couple of restaurants on site, you have 2 pools here. One of the perks of here and its location is that it's actually really relaxing. So I think staying here, we absolutely loved it. If you want to know anything else about our time here, we'll have a full blog post linked below on our blog, AlmostLanding-Bali.com.
If you have any questions about the hotel or you've stayed here, we'd love to hear from you. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.